Hello Excelers and welcome. Thanks for joining me today for another How to Excel at Excel.com Excel tip video. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below to get notified when there's a new Excel tip available here on my YouTube channel. And if you want to sign up for the How to Excel at Excel newsletter, which gives you 3 free Excel tips every month direct to your inbox, there's a link below in the description box there. And when you sign up, you'll get my free ebook, which has got my top 30 Excel tips. Okay, let's get started on today's Excel tip.
Hi Excelers, welcome back to another How to Excel at Excel.com video. Today I'm going to answer a question from one of my subscribers. They were having trouble finding their Excel macros that they previously recorded and saved in their Personal Macro Workbook. So when they tried to run the macros, nothing happened and they thought they'd lost all of their macros. So the first thing to do was to check in the Visual Basic editor to see if their Personal Macro Workbook was loaded into there. If it was, it would have shown just under here, but it wasn't. So the next stage of troubleshooting is to see if it had been disabled. Now they had told me that they had had trouble with Excel and it had crashed. So more than likely the macros had been disabled. So if you go to File, More, Options, and then navigate down to Add-ins. Once you're in Add-ins, if you look at Disabled Items and hit Go, you'll see a list of disabled items. And you can see in here the Personal XLSB, which is the Personal Macro Workbook, was disabled. All we need to do is click Enable. And once we restart Excel, the Personal Macro Workbook reappears with all of the pre-saved macros. So that's how to enable your disabled Personal Macro Workbook if you think that your Excel macros aren't working. Probably Excel's crashed and the macros have been disabled. Okay, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, ask a question, subscribe and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you next time for another How to Excel at Excel.com video.